And hello guys! My name is Robbie. Tayo'y nagbabalik. Tayo'y maglalaro ng Roblox Skyfighters. So now, we're gonna go in here so we can play the game. And just wait. So guys, we're gonna play this Skyfighters, and I played these games before. As you know, I'm 456 and I have so much money. So now we're gonna buy this all. So we're gonna play as the frontman. Oh, player 100. So now let's play. There's a guy dancing here. So guys, as you know, this is my first video. As you know, if you're doing YouTube shorts, you can only go 3 minutes. So I'm a kid, you know, using YouTube. I can't make some like you know, videos. I don't know I don't have a number, and that's it. So now we're on YouTube shorts. So I'm gonna call you guys when the game starts. Guys, we are here and going to the elevator. I'ma have some aura. Is that aura? Oh, let's go. So as you know, we're going 3 minutes, and let's see you on the other part. Bye bye.